Okay, okay, that should do it. Hi, everyone. I'm Fast Track. I'm the best mamma jamma. Whoever stood in front of the camera, you know. So, you all are probably wondering where the next Fast Track Attack trailer is, but I have been doing a lot of thinking and a lot of growing, and I decided I don't want to do Fast Track Attacks anymore. I'm sorry, but here's the thing. When I first got my help for the kickstarting of Fast Track Attacks from Miss Bright Idea, it was fun and all. We got to see me enter her channel and threaten her life. Good times, but I guess the real problem is, like, my initial startup and introduction for Fast Track Attacks, it didn't go so well for most people. I got a lot of hate from that video, and a little bit of hate from my first trailer. The trailer was good. The introduction, not so much, and it kind of left a bad taste to bronies everywhere. Not just to my subscribers, but to some other bronies whose names I will not mention. But, yeah, I just don't want to spread any hate anymore. I just want to entertain. I am not some crazy savage or anything, so yeah, I think I'm just, like, completely done with Fast Track Attacks, so I guess that's it for me. I'm stopping it. I'm quitting while I'm still ahead. So there you go. Bye. Oh my god. Guess I'll be taking this down. Hey boy, how you doing? Hey Rock. Well, I guess that's it. Fast Track Attacks is cancelled. Are you quite sure about that? Who said that? You know exactly who I am, don't you? Show yourself! Right over here. What? Hello, Fast Track. Long time no see. This can't be real. I assure you, I'm more than real. I am a part of you. I'm the darkness you don't want to let out. I'm your anger. I am your rage. I am your bloodlust. You know exactly who I am. No, that's impossible. You can't be real. I'm more than real. I'm you. No, you can't be you. I'm you. You know exactly what you want to do. So why don't you do it already? No. I'm not that. I know exactly what you want, Fast Track. Don't you want more than just Bright Idea? Bright Idea was just helping me. But that was a mistake. I'm not doing it to anyone else. But you liked it, didn't you? I did. I liked it a lot. And you know you want to do it again. No! I would never do it to anyone else. This is crazy!
Since when has crazy ever stopped you, Fast Track?
True. No! No! I am a better man.
You really think so?
I entertain. I do not harm.
Please. You can't escape what you want, who you are, what you are. You will kill again.
No.
It's only a matter of time. Just give in.
Get out of my head?
You will kill again. You will start fast track attacks. And you will not stop until you're satisfied.
Stop it! Stop it!
No. Now tell me, what is our motto?
No brony is safe.
That's right. Now come here. So, who's next?
Perfect.